$1 million settlement after sheriff's deputies shoot and kill a 20-year-old in the parking lot of this Target. I'm Troy Campbell in Osceola County, where it's been more than 4 years since Jayden Baez was shot and killed here by Osceola County deputies, 2 of his friends injured. Now, the attorney for his family says he hopes the $1 million settlement sends a message of change within the sheriff's office.
We looked at it and said, this just screams of excessive force, and there needs to be justice.
Attorney Mark NeJame says he wasted no time after the April 2022 shooting death of 20-year-old Jayden Baez to file a federal civil rights lawsuit on behalf of the family against then-Sheriff Marcos Lopez and the 2 deputies who opened fire.
I had taken great issue with about the culture that had been created in Osceola County under his supposed leadership.
Investigators say back on April 27, 2022, 2 teens were spotted inside this Target on 192, stealing Pokemon cards and a pizza. After the 2 walked out of the store, security alerted the sheriff's office, who just so happened to have a couple dozen deputies in plain clothes conducting a training exercise in the parking lot. Within seconds, several unmarked patrol cars surrounded Baez's vehicle. Deputies say he drove forward and rammed one of the patrol cars, causing the 2 deputies to open fire in self-defense. 2 other teens inside the car were also injured.
But what they did is they used them as guinea pigs, basically, to conduct field exercises when all they had to do was just say, okay, we caught you stealing, and then charge them with the misdemeanor offenses of petty theft.
We reached out to the sheriff's office for comment. They point out the agency was not named in the lawsuit, and the $1 million settlement is not costing taxpayers. It will be paid out on behalf of the 2 deputies from the Florida Sheriff's Risk Management Fund. That fund is kind of like insurance by deputies for deputies. NeJame says he hopes the settlement sends a message of accountability.
Changes were made. And so I think that the Baez family and the rest of the families and these young men can have a measure of comfort in knowing that they may have saved the lives of other people that they'll never know or meet.
NeJame also says he feels more confident about the inner workings of the sheriff's office under the leadership of Sheriff Christopher Blackman than he did under former Sheriff Marcos Lopez. In Osceola County, Troy Campbell, News 6.